Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Chain Chomp, Super Mario 64. Now let's get right into this video. First thing we're going to start for our Chain Chomp is going to be it's going to be the head. So you can make the Chain Chomp in any position you want. You don't have to follow my position, kinda, but it'd be cool if you did. But I'm gonna be drawing him right here, and his change is gonna be like a big loop. So we're gonna start with a big C right here, and I mean big. Then this line's gonna make a line. So it looks like this, like he's trying to so it looks like Pac-Man. Pac-Man's head, without the eye. But this Pac-Man's gonna have teeth. So we're gonna make one big tooth, one smaller tooth, and then a small tooth. Same thing right here. One big tooth, one smaller tooth, small tooth. I'm gonna make his eye, which is just a big circle, another circle inside. Then right here, you're gonna make a curved rectangle for to make it look like he's shine marks. Then you're gonna make a C shape and another C shape. C shape, another C shape. Then you're gonna keep repeating that step as much as you want. You can make him tied up into a pole or something. Because you've never played Super Mario 64, which I have, in the game when you go to Bomb Island or something, I forgot what it's called. There's a big Chain Chomp that tries to get you. He tries to eat you. So you can make him stuck on a pole. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Mine's stuck on a pole and he's trying to get out. There's not that really colors for this one. All it is just black. I'm gonna change this black to this black. But I'm still gonna keep keeping him. But these should be all your colors. One black if you want, and then two grays. One for shading. So yeah, I'm gonna start, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. People, this is what your Chain Chomp should look like when you are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.